This morning, traders in Kokoro market, a market at Ijesha Express are stranded outside the gate. On inquiry, we are informed that the local government chairman ordered the locking of the markets for no reason whatsoever. And it is generally believed that this is fallout of the just concluded election, where some section of the country residing in Lagos are being ordered to leave Lagos or be frustrated out. Please, we want the authorities concerned to find out from the local government chairman his reason for locking traders in this market out today, Monday, the 3rd of April 2023.